Most people get this wrong. They earn rewards inside Match to Win, then get confused when it's time to withdraw. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming every reward app uses the same cash-out process. Here's the truth no one tells you. Withdrawal rules, verification requirements, and payout methods can change over time, and missing one small step can delay your request. In this video, you'll learn how Match to Win withdrawals typically work in 2026, what to check before cashing out, and the most common mistakes that can slow down the process. Let's get straight to the answer. The first thing you need to do is open the Match to Win app and navigate to the Rewards, Wallet, Earnings, or Withdrawal section. Most reward-based apps place withdrawal options inside one of these areas. Once you're there, check your available balance. This is important because many apps require users to reach a minimum withdrawal threshold before a payout request can be submitted. But here's the problem. Many users see a total balance and assume all of it is immediately withdrawable. In some apps, certain rewards may still be pending verification or processing. Always check the available withdrawal balance rather than the total displayed balance. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Before requesting a withdrawal, verify your payment information. Depending on the app, this may include PayPal details, bank information, gift card redemption options, or other supported payout methods. For example, let's say John earns enough rewards and wants to cash out. If his payment information contains a typo, the withdrawal process may take longer or require additional support requests. This is where most people fail. They skip reading the withdrawal requirements. Some platforms may require account verification, identity confirmation, or compliance checks before releasing funds. Completing these steps early can save time later. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid withdrawal delays. After submitting your request, monitor your account notifications and email inbox. Most apps provide updates when a withdrawal is received, approved, processed, or completed. Here's the easy tip. Take screenshots of important transactions and withdrawal confirmations. If an issue arises, you'll have proof of the request and relevant details ready for customer support. Another important point is patience. Processing times can vary depending on the payment method, verification requirements, weekends, holidays, or platform policies. So how does Match to Win withdrawal work in 2026? Earn eligible rewards, reach the required threshold if applicable, verify your payment details, submit your withdrawal request, and monitor your account for updates until processing is complete. The exact steps may vary as the app evolves, so always check the latest withdrawal rules inside the app before requesting payment. If this guide helped you understand the withdrawal process, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more app tutorials and reviews, and leave a comment sharing your experience with Match to Win in 2026.